Okay, let's take a look at 8.3.3 classwork, the circle application worksheet. We're going to take a look at question 2, which was 8-113. Okay, a certain car's windshield wiper clears a portion of a sector as shown shaded at right. If the angle of the wiper pivots during each swing is 105 degrees, find the area of the windshield that is wiped during each swing. In other words, find the shaded region. So what we're going to have to do here is we're going to have to go ahead and find the area of the entire sector first, and then find the area of this smaller sector here. And then once we do that, we subtract them, and that will give us our final answer of the shaded region. So to find the area of the sector, we have to do pi r squared times the fraction of the circle that's being shaded. In this case, it's 105 out of 360. Let me just write that a little bit better and see what that equals. When you put that in, we have pi. Now the radius of my big one is going to be 11 plus 5, which is 16 squared, times 105 over 360. When you plug that into your calculator, you end up with 234.5723. Next, we have to find the area of the smaller sector. So that area is going to be pi r squared times 105 over 360. So that will be pi times 5 squared times 105 over 360. When you multiply that together, you end up with 22.9074. So now we're just left to subtract. So we take the area of the big one, the area of the entire sector, 234.5723, subtract the area of the smaller sector, 22.9074. When you do that, you end up with 211.66.